Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to set up time in Excel only way. Begin by selecting the cells you want to convert to time and type a sample time like 9, 30, or 14, 45 to test. Next, open the Format Cells dialog and choose Time or Custom. Always enter minutes and seconds when needed, and use leading zeros for hours under 10 to keep consistency across your sheet. Choose the cells you want to format and press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells, then pick Time or Custom. For consistent display, use HH, or SS formats, and add AM/PM for 12-hour clocks. Custom patterns let you show leading zeros, remove seconds, or display hours beyond 24 for cumulative totals. This ensures every time entry looks the same and formulas calculate correctly across your workbook. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so you see more practical tips like this. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart cleaning so you spend less time on floors and more on your spreadsheets. Its hands-off convenience pairs well with time-saving Excel tricks. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use time value to convert text entries like 9:30 a.m. into real-time values, then format the result as time. When adding times, be mindful of day rollovers and use custom formats like HH, to show totals exceeding 24 hours. To display decimal hours, multiply the time by 24 and format as number, which is useful for payroll or hourly reports. These steps keep calculations accurate and straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.